Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you from A to Z how to start selling on Amazon FBA. More importantly, I want to tell you why Amazon is the best opportunity out there for sellers. Better than eBay, better than Mercari, better than any other platform. So the very first thing that you need to do when you're selling on Amazon is to sign up to be a seller. You're going to type Amazon Seller Central on Google, and you're going to arrive at this page. Once you're in this page, you're going to click sign up. And then you're going to create your new Amazon Seller Central account. You're going to put all your information. And then at the end of that, Amazon will say, thank you for signing up. Now the next step will be, we will be sending you a verification code to your mailing address that you have on file. As you're probably aware, there are a lot of scammers out there that are trying to sell fake or knockoff products to people. Amazon has taken lately precautionary methods to prevent this from further happening. So not everybody is able to just go up and open an account. They are being very specific on who they allow to open an account. After about 7 business days, you will get on your mail something that looks like this. It's a postcard from Amazon to you. And when you open it, it has a verification code. You're going to take that number code and follow the instructions on the postcard and verify your account that way. And that way you will be completed the number one step, which is verify your mailing address. Now, the next step is a little weird, and I don't know how long Amazon has been doing this for, but it's a video conference. So not only do they require you to verify your business address or your mailing address, but you also need to show your face on a video conference with a representative from Amazon, and they will ask you questions to verify your account, like your name, your business address, your business name, how long you've been a seller for, what kind of products you want to sell, and basically just be very straightforward and answer these questions. And within 5 to 10 minutes of the video conference, they will completely approve your account in about 2 business days. Now, the next step is to choose a plan. Amazon offers 2 different plans, the individual seller plan and the professional plan. Now, if you're just getting started, you can definitely start with just an individual plan, and you will be charged only 99 cents per month. If you are planning on selling more than 40 units per month, then it's advantageous for you to choose the professional plan. The reason for that is with an individual plan, every item that you sell, Amazon will be charging you, I believe it's $1 extra fee per item that you sell. But with the professional plan, there will be no extra fees. You're already paying that premium for the professional plan. So again, if you're planning on selling 40 units or more per month, then go with the professional plan. But if you're just definitely getting started, testing the waters, are going to be selling maybe 5 items per month or so until you get comfortable, then go with the individual plan and then upgrade later. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified on my upcoming videos. The reason for that, this is the first video on a series that I'm doing for complete beginners to advanced level. So we're starting obviously with how to set up an account, and then we're going to be gradually teaching and showing you guys how to grow being an Amazon seller. So this is meant for somebody who has no idea, has never sold on Amazon, and it's going to go all the way up to people that are really advanced. So it's going to be a complete full series of videos. So if you want to get notified on upcoming videos, make sure to like and more importantly, subscribe to the channel. So let's keep going. Also very important because if you want to take this seriously as a business, you need an LLC. So you need to open an actual business. And I know it sounds a little bit more serious than it actually is, but anybody can open an LLC. You just Google your state's name. If you live in the United States, I'm not sure how it is in other countries, but here in the United States, you just type, let's say, for example, set up an LLC in Florida, and you can either do it yourself on the Florida Search Office, or you can do it with a site like LegalZoom. It's generally pretty affordable to set up an LLC, and not only will it give you protection, but it will give you, more importantly, a lot of benefit, like deductions on expenses for your business and tax deductions, etc. So you will win more by having an LLC than by not having an LLC. Also, Amazon will look at your business more seriousness. You should ideally create an LLC before signing up for Amazon Seller Central. That way, when you sign up, you already have your business address, your EIN number, your name, your business phone, and all that information related to your business that Amazon needs when you sign up. And depending on your state, it can be either immediate or within a couple of weeks, you will have your LLC created. We will go through all the settings within your Amazon Seller Central account in the next video. But for now, let me quickly talk to you about why I think Amazon is a way better opportunity than any other online marketplaces. You have Walmart Marketplace, you have eBay, you have Mercari, and also within Amazon, you have SBM, which is fulfilled by merchant. This is, will send your inventory out to Amazon and they store it for you. You sell an item on Amazon and you ship it directly from your house to that customer's house. So you ship it directly, very similarly to how you ship items on eBay or Mercari. My preferred online marketplace and shipping method is fulfilled by Amazon. This is 100% of the units that I sell. I do not do FBM, fulfilled by merchant. I only do FBA. And the reason for that is I don't like to keep any merchandise in my house or in my prep center. I want to be constantly shipping out all the inventory to Amazon and they will store it for me. They can store it up to a year or 2 years, but the longer they store it, the more you will have to pay storage fees. But generally, inventory sells out pretty quickly. The advantage with selling SBA versus FBM is that Amazon will give your seller account priority over FBM. If you're on a listing with 10, 20, 30 other sellers and you are FBA and other people are FBM, they will give priority always to fulfill by Amazon. And the reason for that is Amazon already has your inventory in their warehouses. So they can ship your inventory faster to customers. It's less of a hassle for them. They don't have to wait for you as a seller shipping from your house. They have full control over your inventory and they can send it to their customers whenever they want. And this creates a better customer experience for Amazon customers. And Amazon is all about customer experience. So they will give you an Amazon FBA seller priority. The other important reason is scale. It doesn't really matter that much when you're getting started and you're selling, let's say, 50 products per month. You can easily ship out 50 products per month yourself to the customers. But imagine if you're selling 1,000, 2,000 items or more per month. You will have to ship each item on its box, print a label with the customer's address on the box and ship it, take it to the UPS, each box. That creates a lot of extra work for you versus just creating big shipments where you're shipping 200, 300, 400 units over to Amazon. And then once you start making sales, Amazon takes care of everything for you. You don't have to wait on anybody else. The third reason I prefer Amazon over eBay or Walmart, Amazon is the number one online marketplace in the entire world. People trust Amazon. People rely heavily on Amazon. There are people that just shop on Amazon and they refuse to shop anywhere else. Sometimes people ask me, why will anybody pay more on Amazon than on Walmart or on Target? It's because people trust Amazon. People love the fast shipping on Amazon. People love the ability to return something if they are not happy with it on Amazon, and Amazon will generally refund them their money. So people have full, undivided trust on Amazon. And this is really great for you as a seller. It creates massive opportunity and scale for you as a seller. You have so many eyeballs constantly on your listings. It is absolutely nuts. And the ability to scale your business and grow year over year on Amazon. That's it for today's video. Again, this is the number one episode of my series from A to Z on how to start on Amazon and grow as a seller to an advanced level. If you want to receive more of these videos, get notified by subscribing to the channel